Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am thrilled to be in the beautiful community of Freedom Landing at Crosswater. Freedom Landing at Crosswater is one of our unique neighborhoods south of the Splash Water Park, the Spray Water Park, and these communities have become so popular with residents. They're selling so quickly. So Freedom Landing is the newest to the Crosswater collection. And today I'm excited because we are with Riverside Homes. Riverside Homes is one of the fabulous builders down here, and they are going to show us a beautiful coastal cottage home. And Cindy, who you all know Cindy, there she is.
Hi.
And Cindy is going to show us this home today, and it's ready for you now.
Come on in. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
coming out today, ladies. So this is our Edison floor plan. This is a wonderful single-story home. It has 3 bedrooms, a study, and 2.5 baths. And here to our left, we're going to come into our first bedroom. And this is set up with 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill style bathroom.
The Jack and Jill bathrooms are very popular with buyers, so I'm thrilled that y'all have that.
Yes, and these bedrooms both are close to 12 by 12, so they're a little larger than your average size bedrooms. Some other things in here, you do have in this bathroom a separate shower and toilet out
That's
space.
nice. Oh, and linen closet.
And-
So, Carlin, if you can flip around.
Linen closet.
Oh, love the
Here.
storage.
And then you have the nice double sinks.
Very pretty. And I told people outside that this home is it's a cottage home, and that's a word that people are asking for in the Welcome Center. They said, who builds those? Who builds those? And now we can say, Riverside Homes has
That's
one,
right. We
ready for you now.
It's a coastal cottage.
And I love the colors outside also, and the beautiful, if you can show that
Yeah,
inside door
yeah.
and the side lights, only because it brings in all of this magnificent natural light into that foyer area. So that's something that really stands out.
It is. This is a very light and bright open area feeling house.
Okay. Let's actually go in here.
Oh
See
yeah,
if
let's
that's
check out. So this is kind of your little mudroom or drop zone space coming in off of the garage. We've got an area where you can drop your keys, your mail, whatever. You can even do a little bench there. And then you've got your powder bath for guests, which is a really nice size.
It's very
Powder room.
spacious. That's something when Cindy took us in here earlier, I said, wow, this is a lot bigger than normal. Normally you could barely get in, go to the potty,
right.
get up.
Yes,
It's very spacious.
That's right. And the same with the laundry room. This is a nice size, spacious laundry room as well. So plenty of room for your sorting baskets and things like that.
And I like that the laundry room is right off of the 2-car tandem golf cart garage.
Yes.
Because if you do have kids and are sweating from playing sports, or you yourself perhaps went down to the Nocatee landing, which we'll talk about in a minute, and you're wet, then you can actually drop your stuff off in that laundry room. So
And you don't pass through the laundry room coming
yes,
into the
I think
house.
I love that. I think it's a great location.
Oh, Carlene, let's check out over this
let's
way
go
here.
first.
This is kind of the den or the study.
Beautiful French doors. Love that.
Isn't that pretty? And then check out the ceiling treatment in here. This has a great coffered ceiling with crown molding. There's also 2 closets in this space. We didn't look at that earlier, but there's one.
now I love
side.
that.
So if you really wanted to use this as a multi-purpose space and have it as an extra bedroom, that also could function that way.
So extra bedroom or your office, because so many people work from their homes. It could be a crafting room. It could be a playroom for kids. This
would
room
be
is
a great playroom, actually.
really. And so again, the 2 closets on either side, so plenty of storage. And then you have these beautiful glass doors right here, so you can close them off, but yet still see people in there, which I do like.
That's right, especially if it was a kid.
Kids, absolutely. So now let's go into the beautiful kitchen.
Yes, so of course we have the beautiful white shaker style cabinets that everybody seems to love these days. And then the nice big pantry here, a walk-in pantry, so plenty of storage space in there.
Plenty of storage. I'm glad we pointed out that pantry. That's a really big pantry.
It is. And then as our kitchen, we have our wonderful Bosch appliances, which people just rave about, and the actual true double oven here. And then a gas cooktop with a microwave and Bosch dishwasher as well. Some of the things, the details that are in this kitchen with the cabinetry, we have the nice big pot drawers.
Oh, wow.
And then it also has the solid wood drawer boxes with the dovetail sides and the soft closing. The cabinet doors also have that soft closing mechanism.
That's very popular with buyers, the soft closing and how the cabinets, very well made, sturdy cabinets. Love the drawers. I think that's important for the pots and pans. And then if we get a look at this island carling, because it is a nice size island and then plenty of seating on the other side that you can put guests. They only have 3 stools. To be honest with you, you could fit 5 or 6 people very comfortably and even carrying it around the side. So this is a great entertaining island. But then if you can flash over to the eating area, they just, again, Riverside just staged it with a small table. This is endless how much space is over here. And because they kept this sharp lines right here, you can actually do a beautiful bench right there, which would really make it outstanding.
There's a lot of great ways you could do that.
Absolutely. Now let's get a look at this family room.
Here we go. Yes.
So large tray ceiling in here.
With the crown molding, finishing that out as well. And then a large space with a beautiful, that's a 12-foot sliding door at the back. So you get so much natural light into this space as well.
And Cindy, it looks like it can open from either side, which is really nice.
Yes, it does. It does.
Can we go out there, Colleen? Do we have enough time?
Let's go.
Because Riverside Homes, this lot with them is on a preserve. And Cindy's going to tell you the perks if you bought this particular lot.
Yes, so this home, one of the things, obviously you see the beautiful nature preserve out back, very lush and green, but this home also happens to sit on a street that ends in a cul-de-sac. So there's only a handful of homes on this street, so it's a nice quiet area with not a lot of drive-by traffic. So
I think that's important to any style buyer. It doesn't matter what life stage you're in.
That's
And then
right.
you do have a hookup here. They've got even a cable hookup, so you can put a television. You can do an outdoor kitchen.
yes, you've got your gas, and this is a nice large covered area.
I want to get a shot from the outside so you can
Okay.
really tell.
So we have a screen here. We're just showing you that you could do a screen so that in turn, you don't have to, you can keep this so,
Yes.
I don't know if it's raining. You want to keep the screen open.
Right.
But I love these sliders. And they're very quiet sliders, by the way.
That's what I was going to say. Give it a try.
Yeah, very quiet. So when you call it, you come in, Carling, and I'll shut it. But I really love this attention to detail. And I like that you have this screen. I just think that's nice because a lot of people want that fresh air.
Right.
But that's not the open door. Oh,
So through here, so I was going to say, stop. Here's a little linen closet here off the master.
love that.
So there's 2 linen closets in this home.
2. Yes.
2.
I want to remind people because not everyone has a linen closet.
Right.
So beautiful. Look at the double tray ceiling.
Yes. And this is a king size bed in here. So, I mean, this is a really spacious master suite as well.
It really is, because if that's a king, you have plenty of room on either side.
And even if you wanted to do a little sitting area, I mean,
Yes.
there's still even space for that.
Absolutely. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm super excited. I have to tell everyone about this master bathroom. Wow, wow, wow. Knock our socks off in a minute. So first of all, as we go in, look at the beautiful tile and how the tub, doesn't it just carry, like falls into the floor?
I love it. Is. Heather, this is one of my favorite spaces in this house. And just the whole design of everything. So you have 2 very large vanity spaces, tons of counter space so that you can have ample room for all of your supplies. A nice big walk-in shower with the frameless glass. It's just a beautiful shower and tub area here.
The frameless glass really sets it apart. I just think it's beautiful. And again, you do have a window in here, so you have that natural light coming in,
Yes.
which is really nice. And that's another thing throughout the home. I noticed all these beautiful windows, lots of natural light. But this, to me, I'm beyond excited. This is now my favorite closet in Nocatee.
Wow.
Okay, everyone, this closet is oversized. It's long, it's wide. You could do the most outstanding built-ins in this closet. I cannot get over. This closet is why I would buy this house. I mean, it's beautiful. But what's so elegant about it are these double doors. how the double doors were closed and you don't know what's behind it. So it is, you know, Cindy mentioned the word to me earlier. She's like, it's like a princess.
Yes.
But it is a princess closet because you open those doors and you could just do so much and have your own beautiful closet
Like
space.
a dressing room.
It
Yeah,
really is.
like a dressing
It
room.
really is. So I want to remind people some things that stood out to me in this house. The nice size walk-in pantry, the spacious laundry room. It does have a half bath powder room for your guests, so they're not using yours. The amazing closet, the amazing location of this lot on the preserve. Also, with Freedom Landing at Crosswater, one of the 3 Crosswater Collection neighborhoods, you have your own park. It's called the Schoolyard. And that's for Crosswater residents only.
Yes.
And that has a small dog park, a large dog park, an open air pavilion, a playground. So this is for you as a resident of Nocatee. So whether you have a dog or kids,
Yes.
or you just want to swing on a
Go
swing,
for a walk.
you have that. And also we have the Nocatee Landing. So the Nocatee Landing is one of the most magnificent views for Nocatee residents. And it's on the Intracoastal Waterway, and Crosswater residents are only 1 mile from the road that leads you to the Intracoastal, the Nocatee Landing. There you also have restrooms, open air pavilion, and you can launch your non-motorized watercrafts. So this really is a huge selling feature, but just for us residents, it's such a gift that we are able to go to the Intracoastal. But yeah, we don't have to pay the premium prices of living on it.
That's right. Absolutely
So I
true.
love that.
Yes.
So Cindy, we are with Cindy of Riverside Homes in Freedom Landing, and tell us again this floor plan.
So this is our Edison floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom plus a study. It has closets. It could be multi-purposed as a 4th bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car tandem golf cart garage.
Yes.
And we're situated on this beautiful preserve lot on a
Cul-de-sac street. Cul-de-sac street. Thanks everyone. You've got Carling behind the camera, the beautiful Cindy. I'm Heather. Thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday.
Bye.